In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the nose of this honeybee. And for this project, you'll need yarn, a little bit of stuffing, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. For the nose, I'm going to be using the darker shade of yarn, doing a magic circle. So wrap the yarn around your fingers, reach through, bring up a loop, chain one to secure your yarn, and then for round one, we're going to do 6 single crochet into that magic circle. There's 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you'll grab the tail, give it a pull, place your stitch marker, and at this point you should have 6 stitches. For round 2, we're going to do 1 increase in each stitch all the way around. And so for the increase, you'll go into the stitch, do 1 single crochet, go back into that same stitch for another single crochet. And that is 1 increase. And now we'll continue to do 1 increase in each stitch all the way around. And when you come to the end of this round, you should have a total of 12 stitches. For rounds 3 and 4, we're just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And when you come to the end of round 4, you should still have 12 stitches. And here I've come to the end of round 4. I'm going to remove my stitch marker and then slip stitch into this next stitch and tie off. And when you cut your yarn, make sure you're leaving a long enough tail for sewing the nose onto the head. And you will also need to go ahead and weave in that beginning tail, cut off the excess yarn, and add a little bit of stuffing to this before sewing it on. When you're ready to attach the nose, we're going to place it so it's center between the 2 eyes and just below those. And now you'll just make sure the stuffing is out of the way. And we're going to go under a stitch in the head with the yarn needle, and then up through a stitch in the nose. And we're going to do this working all the way around the nose. So under a stitch in the head, up through a stitch in the nose, and continue to do this all the way around. As you're going around, make sure you're keeping the nose centered, and I will meet you back here where I started. Here I've worked my way all the way around, keeping the nose somewhat centered. And so now we're just going to go under a stitch in the head, and before pulling it all the way through, take the yarn needle through that loop, give it a pull, and then we're going to hide the tail inside the head and snip off that excess yarn. And there the nose has been attached, and now we will embroider a little mouth onto the front of the head. For the mouth, we're going to start with a long strand of the darker shade of yarn, and on one end we're going to place a slip knot. On the other end we will thread the yarn needle, and now we're going to take and just embroider a little smile here. So I'm going to take my yarn needle and I'm going to go diagonally under that stitch. When you get to the loop that you made from the slip knot, you'll give that a pull to tighten it around the needle, and then pull the yarn the rest of the way through. And then we'll weave in this beginning tail later. And so now I'm going to go back into that stitch I came out of, and I'm going to go diagonally one more time. And then before pulling it all the way through, take the yarn needle through that loop and give it a pull. Now I'm going to try to work across here. Because of the way these rows are lining up, I'm going at another diagonal here. There we go. Now I'm just going to work my way straight across, going under the stitch, always going in where you came out of on the last one. And just work your way across. Like so. Now I'm going to start bringing this smile back up. So I'm going to go diagonal through the loop and pull. And go diagonal again. And through the loop and give it a pull. Okay, and then I want to, let's see, bring this up to here. So now I'm going to come up to the diagonal stitch here and come back through that direction so I can tie off and run it through the loop and pull nice and tight. That will secure the yarn, and then we'll just hide the two tails inside the head. So there's the one, and then we'll grab the second one. Oops. And poke that through. And then we cut off the excess yarn, and the tails will be hidden. And then we'll take the yarn needle and puff that back out the way it's supposed to. All right, his smile went on totally crooked, but that's okay. It's on there. So there is the nose and the mouth.